Hi, this is Ricky Johnson with TechSoft 3D. Today I'd like to show you a project that showcases an additive manufacturing workflow implemented with Hoops Communicator. This project has a full step-by-step written tutorial that will walk you through exactly how to implement everything that you see within this video within your own project. Additionally, there's a GitHub repo for this project, so if you'd like to download and play with the demo without needing to write any code, you can do that as well. This project and its companion tutorial showcase a lot of useful features such as how to implement and work with multiple viewers at the same time and getting each of those viewers to synchronize, how to add handles to your objects so that they can be manipulated interactively, creating and placing new geometry from instances of existing geometry, loading additional models into the scene, querying and displaying information about nodes within the model, querying bounding box information in order to auto-arrange individual parts of an assembly, and also how to extend and modify functionalities of existing operators. A link to the tutorial and GitHub project are provided for you in the description below. If you implement anything from this tutorial within your own project, we'd love to hear from you, so please feel free to comment about your project, ask questions, or just say hi. Also, be sure to like and subscribe to the page to be notified about any new content that comes out.